Good morning from lovely East Texas. It's a bit of a thunderstorm this morning, but it's so pretty outside. And oh, sometimes you just love the rainy days. And this is one of them. Just excuse my porch, it's kind of a mess. It's in transition from fall to Christmas. So, I don't know if I'm going to get out and deliver chicken and dumplings today or not, but we're going to give it a whirl here in a few minutes. And as you can see, we're in the middle of a thunderstorm. I kind of like rainy days sometimes. And it's a rainy day and a Monday. So, everybody have a lovely day and a happy Thanksgiving week. Bye now.